Is there problem that your plants don't get a real green color or plants remain light green other than the veins of the plant? Then these are the symptoms of magnesium deficiency. To overcome, you can use Utkarsh MagGreen or Calmag or magnesium sulphate or magnesium nitrate. MagGreen dose is 2 to 3 grams per liter water. Calmag dose is 1 to 3 ml per liter water. Magnesium sulphate dose is 5 to 6 grams per liter water. Magnesium nitrate is 5 to 8 grams per liter water, which you can give by spraying or by drenching or drip system. MagGreen contains 6% magnesium in EDTA form. Calmag contains 5% calcium and 1.5% magnesium. Magnesium sulfate contains 9.6% magnesium and magnesium nitrate contains 11% magnesium. After 5 to days of application, plant will start getting green color due to development of chlorophyll and will start looking healthy.